Today I'm going to show you this ATC aluminum enclosed trailer we just got in. All kinds of options on this one. This was built for the UTV person. It's carrying you side by sides, off-roading, taking you in mind. Now this is a 7.5 wide by 16. 7.5 wide makes it easier to get the UTVs in and out of them. You've got the full screwless exterior on there, all the way down, .040 black metal. Awning on the side, we've added the blackout trim to it. So you got the black metal with the blackout trim. Pull out step by the side door, window in the side door. There's speakers on the outside where we got a radio on the inside. Windows on the sides, you got one window on each side. Now we've upgraded it with the torsion axle. So you've got torsion axle standard on this model. You've also got the upgraded off-road tires on there. So that's a 235, 75, R15 tire on an aluminum wheel. Be able to go over any terrain. Like I said, we built this for the UTV person so you can drive it on and off road, go camping, whatever or not you want to do with it. You've got a grab handle for your door here and step. Now the STO 450 models come with the LifeTrac on them. You've got LifeTracs on the walls. Now this one comes with different cabinet options. You can get overhead cabinets. These cabinets can be turned if you don't want them long ways like that. You can mount them anywhere along this track, as well as the space cabinet here. This one only goes here, but you can add more cabinets down the sides, either way. You've got your panel box right here. Fuses, breakers. There's a master shut-off switch for the power down here, as well as your battery down there. Your 30 amp electrical plug in here. Now you've got LED lights in the ceiling. There's 4 up here in the ceiling. You got more speakers for your radio. Radio B right here. Light switches, you have 2 porch lights on the outside, as well as awning lights underneath the awning and your light switch for the awning. You've got airline track in the floor, strips airline track for your UTV or motorcycles if you are hauling motorcycles. We get a lot of people do that. We've also upgraded this one with the AC unit. So you've got a 13.5 AC with heat, as well as a couch that'll fold up against the wall or fold out into a bed, either way. Come see us today. We do a number of different options, number of different combinations for this. There's a half bathroom option if you want a half bathroom, more cabinets, you name it. Helmet racks, hook racks. Come see us today. 478-654-5350. We're in Byron, Georgia.